All right, guys. So today we're going to talk about a fire making survival bracelet. Um, so if you're interested, stay tuned to the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC items, then you have definitely come to the right channel. Take that first step, click that subscribe button if you haven't already. All right, so today we're going to take a look. I'm going to talk about my survival bracelet that has fire making capabilities. I tend to call it my fire making bracelet. That is my bracelet. All right, so this is my bracelet that I made this bracelet probably 12 and a half years ago, and it has stood the test of time. This is Paracord bracelet. Now, I didn't want to come and do a tutorial on this video without doing this video first. Reason being is there's one component of this minimum that you can't buy anymore. I'm gonna have to find a workaround. So, and that is this steel plate right here. I had a company that I was purchasing these from when I was making these bracelets. That company is no longer in existence, or either they've changed their name and I just can't find them. But I purchased these from a company online. The rest of this is paracord, jute twine, and a piece of fire steel or ferro rod. All right. Oh, hey, hey, hey. Are you enjoying this video? If you are, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, make sure you do that. There is a lot of work that goes into this. If you can see, that is the weave. But if you are interested, I wanted this to be kind of a short video and explain this bracelet. And if you're interested, then I will definitely do a tutorial on how to build this bracelet. I'll find a workaround on this since it is no longer available, and find a good source for the ferro rod. Because where I was purchasing them from, I don't know if that company is in existence anymore either, because this was 12 and a half years ago. And I would have to buy them long, cut them down, and make my own. When I got married, I made these for all of my groomsmen, made them for a couple friends as well. And the company where I bought these steel plates from, I actually had them engrave initials and such for that. So the cool thing about this, mine I did in Army Green, OD Green. You could do them in any color. The only thing you can't adjust the color on, of course, would be whatever your striker is. So the premise behind this is you can pull this jute twine out. It is not weaved in such a way you can't undo it. You can pull this jute twine out. When you do, your striker is going to come off. That is what holds the striker plate on. Striker comes off, and you can then hold your bracelet like so, and you have a steel plate to strike. You use your jute twine as tinder, fluff it up, and you can have fire. And then, of course, if you needed to pull the paracord apart, I can't remember how much paracord is in this one bracelet, but I can tell you there is a lot. If you needed to pull this off for cordage, you have a bunch of rope. But the cool thing about it is if you were in a pinch and you needed to use this for fire, you can always replace it. You may not be able to do it in the field, but you can always replace this jute twine with more twine and put your striker plate back on. I may play around and see if there's an easier way to do it to where you can easily detach your striker without having to pull all that off. But either way, it's a really awesome little survival tool. I can tell you, I've been wearing this not every day, but I have worn it a lot over the past 12 and a half years. And the questions and stuff that I get from people when they see it, wanting to know what it is, and me explain it to them, they think it's pretty awesome. So if you like this and you feel like it is a pretty awesome little item, let me get a couple comments of people saying they want me to show a tutorial on it, and I'll show you guys. I know I've done a couple little paracord stuff lately, but if you want to see how to make this particular bracelet, give me enough comments in the description, and if we get enough views, then I will do a video and show you how to make this paracord fire starting survival bracelet. It's really awesome. It's not too hard to build, but there's a lot of things that goes into it. So I'll try to get all my stuff together in the event, because I know you guys are going to come through and you're going to get the views where they need to be. You're going to make comments. You guys, there's a lot of you that are going to want to see how to do this. So I'm going to go ahead and get preparing on my end, figuring out some places to tell you where to buy this stuff. Because of course I'm going to have to buy it too, so I can show you, get the stuff in and show you how to do it. So I think that's all I've got. So if you're interested in the fire making survival paracord bracelet, I wish I'd have made mine a little bit smaller. I don't like that, but either way, it's awesome. And I'll see you in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. So until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.